Hey y'all, Reddy Colt here, and I'm sitting in my 96 Ford Splash Ranger. Got this truck a couple months ago, and it's just been such a fun little truck. I love this thing. I got a good deal on it, and it's served me well, haven't had any issues. You'll be seeing a lot more of this truck on the channel, including a paint correction, which I'll eventually do at some point, but it's a big project to tackle. But right now, I'm sitting here waiting on my buddy Drew, and we're going to be making some chicken adobo over the campfire. Stay tuned. We got the wok, we got the fire going, the truck pulled up, and we're just gonna oil this bitch. Okay. My boy Drew. Oh. Oh. Nick.
Salt, look at that. Oh. Okay. Can't have too much salt, because if you do, there's already salt in the rest of the stuff. Okay. This is just the boring shit. We're gonna get creative here. This is new onion powder, so you gotta take this off, because this totally helps, guys. This keeps it fresh. That little piece of plastic keeps it fresh. We're gonna go a little heavy on the onion. It sounds counterintuitive at first.
You can never have enough onion, goated vegetable.
We're gonna go a little heavy on the onion. Next we're gonna spice things up with the cayenne. Oh shit, did we get the garlic? Spicy. You know? Oh yeah. The spicier the better, but not everyone likes that stuff. Let's get the blackened seasoning.
Oh, we gotta open that too.
God damn it.
Get the...
Okay. Gotta get that blackened seasoning on there. Yeah. See what I'm saying? I'll make it see, you know what I'm saying? Alright.
I don't think you put curry powder in.
Yeah.
I got the good stuff.
Ooh. Alright. There we go.
Alright, now I need to add everything to mine. I've had everything handed to me on a silver platter. Anyway, you just drop the chicken in there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix that shit around.
We washed our hands before this with guys. And then we add this marinade to the wok. I know we're doing beef marinade with chicken, but I trust his process. Alright, say when, Mr. Chicken Man.
Dump that shit in there.
Okay.
Okay, alright, there you go. Damn.
And onto the flame it goes. Might have to bleed the marinade a bit. I might have went a little excessive, but it's okay. He's cooking that up, and we forgot some stuff, so I gotta run back. But stay tuned.
That's alright.
Looking good. Oh, that's some beautiful blackening on there. Smoke.
Man.
Looking good.
Cooking chicken well is fucking important, dude. If you cook it wrong, you eat raw chicken and it sucks. You cook it. Chop that up. See how it's on the inside. Oh, that beautiful whiteness. Oh, it's covered now. I have to cut this piece open here.
Oh, yes. Beauty.
Yeah. I said a couple more minutes and it's done.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Cool part about using enough marinade is that overcooking isn't as much of an issue. Stays juicy. Still an issue, not as much of an issue.
We like juicy chicken.
Yeah, we like thick, juicy meat.
And there you have it, basic yet delicious chicken adobo.
All right, do we have the sauces? Sauce. The Drew hot sauce.
I almost forgot about hot sauce, but man, this is so good.
Huh?
And it goes well with this hot sauce here. That tiger.
Yes, it does. Oh shit. You're getting some smoldering from outside the fire pit.
Oh well.